Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by stopping what's blocking progress. Open Task Manager and end the hung process to free memory and CPU. Once done, check Explorer. EXE and restart it if the UI is frozen. This often restores window responsiveness without a reboot. Make sure to save any unsaved files in other programs first, and note whether this app spikes CPU, memory, or disk. That clue tells you whether to focus on resources, drivers, or the app itself. Next, escalate to targeted recovery. Run the program as administrator to rule out permission deadlocks, and then inspect Event Viewer for application errors to identify faulting modules or exception codes. If error messages implicate add-ins or extensions, launch the app in safe or clean boot mode to isolate third-party interference. Make sure to document any error codes you find. Those numbers map directly to specific fixes like updates, registry repairs, or uninstalling a problematic plugin. To finish, repair or reinstall the application so corrupted files and settings are replaced. Use the app's repair option first, then reinstall if needed. Once complete, update Windows and device drivers because driver conflicts often cause hangs. If problems persist, create a fresh Windows user profile or run system restore to a recent stable point. That recovers registry and user settings without wiping data. If you still see unresponsiveness, note the exact error and device behavior. That single.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.